Sige, let's head on. Una, may Quadcom. Ikalawa, yung Senate Blue Ribbon. Ikalawa, yung ICC mismo napunta rito. Ikatlo, meron pang Senate Blue Ribbon. Naalala nyo, napunta rito si Presidente Duterte noong October at nagtestigo. Kaya lang walang sumipot kina Garma, Leonardo at Kerwin Espinosa. Diba? Yun yung nangyari sa Senate Blue Ribbon. Maliban doon, ikaapat, may DOJ case build-up. At naalala ko, eto na naman yung memo natin na nagkaroon ng task force on 4 November, already alluded to by our prosecutor, to cooperate with the Quadcom. Am I citing this correctly, Prosecutor Fadulion, please?
What we have, Madam Chair, was a department order issued by the Secretary of Justice creating the task force which would look into the investigation which was being undertaken by the Quadcom at that time, and following the leads and working with law enforcement authorities to try and come up with the possibility of reviving these old or cold cases. So yun po yung department order na nag-create noon, at binigyan po sila ng 60 araw base dun sa unang department order na nilabas para mag-submit ng kanilang initial findings.
Dumating dito yung ICC October, biglang-bigla, November 4, nagkaroon kayo ng task force. Ang ICC ba ay humingi ng tulong sa DOJ?
Wala po. Categorically, I will say, Madam Chair, na wala pong lumapit na taga-ICC sa amin, sa Department of Justice, para humingi ng tulong patungkol dito sa mga investigasyon.
At hindi naman kayo nag-volunteer na tulungan yung mga ICC na
wala
narito?
Po kaming maibo-volunteer kasi hindi naman po namin alam kung sinong kakausapin at wala po nakipag-ugnayan sa amin.
Kasi may ibang nagsasabi that the task force was supposed to pick up where the ICC could possibly have left off. Tama ba yun?
Hindi po. Ang sinundan po ng task force dyan, tulad po ng binanggit ko kanina, yung mga resulta ng investigasyon at impormasyon na nakuha at nakalap ng ating Quadcom Committee. So, katulad po nun, halimbawa, yung kaso ni Barayuga, so sinundan po yon base doon sa testimony nila Garma, and then meron pa hong tinignan na ibang leads doon, at doon po sila nagsimula magtanong at kumausap ng mga testigo on their own. Wala po silang coordination with the ICC.
So, ang coordination lang ninyo, katulad ng binanggit ni Secretary Remulla kanina, yung Quadcom, yung Senate, yung binabanggit sa 778, yung CHR, at yung iba pang PNP, Witness Protection, yung iba pang ahensya ng ating pamahalaan. Tama po ba?
Tama po yan, Madam Chair.